this is Calculatng Dennis, your future engineer. Today we're going to execute the calculation of geometric shape, which is the rectangular prism together with given formula that I have searched. So, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Mag-program na!
So, as you can see guys, the program ay nagawa na. Ang gagawin na lang is explain sa inyo kung paano ko ginawa ito. The first things that I do in this program is create a problem calculating the given formula that I have searched on the Googles. Write a program that will display the volume, space, diagonal, surface area of rectangle, where the width, height, and length are input of the user. Meaning to say, yung width, height, and length are from the user. Depends to me kung ano yung lalagay ko sa width, height, and length. Yung 1 and 2 na slash asterisk is ito yung ginagamit pang comments natin, and yung last natin is para sa pang close ng comments section natin. So sa number 3 and 4, which is in hashtag include stdio.h, number 4 lines is hashtag include math.h. Ito yung tinatawag na header files. This contains some predefined functions in them so that we can make use of them. For example, sa math.h, mathematical functions like squared ang meron siya nito. Sa stdio naman .h is contains a basic input or output functions like printf and scanf. So if you are using this into your code, you must include the header files. Sa endpoint naman, sa number 5 lines is refers to the entry point. Ito yung tinatawag na entry point, where the first instructions of the program are being executed. Sa 7 and 8 is these are the variables, and ito yung mga data types na in-input natin sa line 7 and 8, which given in the problem, with like volume, space, diagonal, surface area, width, height, and length. Yan yung mga given natin. Yung float dito is in case na may fractions, hindi na natin papalitan ng integer, ganun. Para hindi tayo paulit-ulit, mas mainam na float ang gamitin natin. Yung na-search natin na formula natin is ilagay natin after we input the data types and variables. So, the formula that we have searched in the Google is volume, the diagonal surface of the rectangular prism, the surface area of rectangular prism, which the formula of volume is equals to width times height times length. Andito sa line number 12. However, the line number 13 is the space diagonal, is equals square root of length raised to 2 or plus width times raised to 2 plus height times 2. Ang ginawa ko dito is times ko itself kasi parehas lang naman yan eh. Length times length plus width times width plus height times height. Ganyan yung ginawa ko para makuha yung sagot. Line number 14, which is surface area, is equals to 2 times width times length plus height times length plus height. So after we input the given formula that we have searched, the next step is print this using printf open parenthesis, quotation mark, dash n. The dash n is used to print the output in the new line. Dash n, the volume is colon percent 0.2f. Kaya 0.2f is gusto nating sagot sa decimal places ng sagot natin is dalawa lang yung decimal places natin, kaya 2. Depende sa inyo kung ano yung mas gusto nyong number of decimal places. Then close quotation mark, quit volume. It is the volume refers the identifier. Volume is colon percent 0.2f. It is refers to the format specifier, and same as the below of the for name matters. So when we run it, when we run the program, it has a total of volume 2240, and the space diagonal is 25.69. However, the surface area is 1104. In order to know if the program is executed correctly, let's check it using the rectangular prism calculator that we suggest to us, which our length is equals to 14 and the width is equals to 8 and the height is equals to 20. So as you can see, the total volume is 2240. Similar results on the program. And let's go to the space diagonal to check if the result is correct. Again, the length is 14 and the width is 8 and the height is 20. And nakikita naman natin na same lang yung sagot sa program sa ating calculator sa Google. Sa isa naman sa surface area. So again the length is equals to 14. The width is equals to 8 and the height is equals to 20. And as you can see, the surface area of rectangular prism is equals to 1104.
Honestly, I'm glad for I was able to clearly understand and perform the application of the solutions. However, even if the program provides a guide whenever an error in solving takes place, I still decided to conduct a manual solving. It is a little bit hard to input the given formula to the program, but I tried to browse in the internet and learn how to do so. So ngayon guys, natutunan na natin kung paano mag-program. So in this vlog, natutunan ko na there's no need to be genius to be called programmer or to run a program, kasi ang programming ay trial and error lang, and we need to try in order to accomplish the such activity. So if you find it difficult to do a programming, mayroon tayong YouTube and other educational platform and application that could help us to understand it. So guys, that's all for today. Thank you. Peace.